tandoori chicken. So I'm starting off with some chicken thigh and chicken breast. In my house, everybody likes a little bit of something a little bit different. So I've got my chicken thigh, chicken breast, and I've slashed them. And what this does, it saves on cooking time and it allows all of that flavor to be penetrated in there. So to this, I'm going to add clarified butter. So I'm going to go straight in with that clarified butter. And then I'm going to add, let's get all of that in there. So let's get that clarified butter in there and then just kind of mush it all around. Give it a really good mix. And I like to use clarified butter. You can use whatever you've got at home. You can use oil. You can use just regular butter from home. But we grew up eating clarified butter, and it has its own unique flavor. So I've got my tandoori masala mix, and I'm going to get that all over. And then just sprinkle that all over. Be generous, like this, spice doesn't have to always mean heat. Spice can mean just simply flavor and color. So we're going to just smother that all over. And then I'm going to pop that straight into the oven.
Nadiya's blend is online in the recipe, and you can also buy store-bought blends to replace, but you probably have many of these spices like smoky cumin that will add flavor but not a lot of heat. You probably have them right in your cupboard, and you can just mix and match with the paprika, right? Yep.
Yeah, so you can buy tandoori masala ready mixed, and every brand has its own mix. So you can try loads of different brands and know which one you like specifically. But if you didn't want to buy a specific brand and you want to use up some of the spices that you've got at home, absolutely, root through your cupboard. I can guarantee you have them. Chili, cayenne, ginger, cumin, coriander, garlic granules. This is probably stuff that you've got at home. Just whack it all in together. And in the book, there's actually a recipe for a tandoori masala mix if you fancy making it yourself. So absolutely, give it a go. While that cooks, I want to start making this delicious, creamy marinade to go on top. So to start with, I've got some Greek yogurt. So we start off with some Greek yogurt, and then to that, I'm going to add a really good pinch of salt. So season it really well. And then I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. And so we're going to whack that in there. And we want to it's all about flavor. We want to pack that flavor in using what we've got at home. And often we have all of this stuff at home. Woo!
That's right.
We don't want that in there. So we're going to add some more clarified butter to that. And we want to pack it with flavor. And then we're going to add some chickpea flour. Now you could use just plain flour if you can't find chickpea flour, but chickpea flour is absolutely delicious. It's nutty, it's got light yellow, it's got this lovely light yellow color. And again, this is for me growing up, this was a staple in the cupboard.
Absolutely.
And it's gluten-free.
There's so much you can do with it. It's delicious.
Right, and so we're going to add loads more of that tandoori masala straight in. And then give that a really good mix. Once we've given that a really good mix, and you can see it's really thickened that yogurt up, we're going to grab our chicken out of the oven. Okay, so it's had a little bit of time to cook while I've been doing this, because we don't want to waste any time. We want to get right to it and we get everything cooking really quickly. And ultimately, I've got children and I just want to get them fed, but I want them to eat something delicious. So we grab our marinade and we just smother that marinade all over.
All over.
Whack it.
Yay!
So we've smothered that all over, and you can see, look at that, delicious, smothered all over. And then I'll whack that straight in. Right. So pop that in. And this is what you want. Okay, so look at this.
Again, brava.